Okay, further moving with your 6th standard maths lesson number 6 integers. Today we are going to see the explanation part into a practical sums. Yesterday I explained regarding the rules for positive and negative integers and how to add and subtract them. Based on that rules, we are going to solve exercise 6.2. Some of the homeworks will be a part of your homework also. Okay, so I am moving on to exercise 6.2 of your textbook, page 128 and 129. Question number 1, you have to use the number lines to show the integers given in your textbook. See children, I had not taken A and C as that belongs to your homework. So I had done B and D as a part of your classwork. B, the question is 5 more than minus 5. First solve as it is what you are doing. See, whenever you have a word more, that means the number is positive. That is with a plus number. How many more than minus 5? Minus 5 is already given. But how many more we have to add in it? 5. That is 5 more. That is plus 5. Right? So here, just a second. I just find more than minus 5. So minus 5 we already have and we have to add 5 more. So now what will happen? Here, slight change. First minus 5 will come, plus 5. Answer is going to remain same, that is 0. We already have minus 5 with us and we have to add more 5. So that is positive 5. More means positive, less means negative. So more, how much more? 5. So plus 5. So minus 5 already I have. I added plus 5 in it. What will be my answer? 0. This calculation you have to show on the number line. Now, first here which number I had written? Minus 5. Right? So you will start your number line from minus 5. And how many more we have to add? Plus 5. Now children, please remember, whenever we have word more, you will move towards right side of the number line. So I am moving towards right. How many? 5 more, that is plus 5. So your starting point will be from minus 5, because how many more is then minus 5? Then we have to add 5 more in it. So our starting point will be minus 5. From here you will count 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer? When I add into minus 5, 5 more, my answer comes to 0. Again I am repeating, whenever you have a word more, move on to the right side of the number line. Coming on to D of question number 1, 3 less than minus 2. We want 3 less, but compared to whom? With the minus 2. So this is our actual point, starting point from where we begin our number line. So first we will write minus 2. Now what we want? 3 less. So 3 less means minus 2 minus 3. As again there is a word less, we will make an integer with negative sign. So this is already given in the sum. 3 less than minus 2. So minus 2 we have to write first. And how many less than minus 2? Minus 3. So this is the rule when we have two integers of negative numbers with minus sign, the integers will be added and the sign will be of subtraction. So 2 plus 3, 5 and minus sign. Now our starting point will be 2 on a number line. From now we have to move 3 less. So whenever we have a word less, that will move on to the left side of the number line. Starting is from minus 2, 3 less, 1, 2, 3. So our answer is minus 5. In question number 1, A and C will be your homework. Now moving on to question number 2 is exactly like that only. Use number line to show the integers. Here total 6 sums are there. Okay, moving on to question number 2. Use number line to show the integers given. Here they had simply shown the addition and subtraction, what rules we had studied. 9 plus minus 6. Now children, again I repeat, when we have two signs together, that is plus and minus, plus is always removed and it will be taken by minus sign. So 9 minus 6, your answer is 9 is positive, 6 is negative, so we have to subtract the sum. So 9 minus 6 will be 3. And as 9 and 6 compared to 9 and 6, 9 is bigger, so positive 3, as 9 is positive number. So on the number line, the very first number which we had written will be the starting point of your number line, and you have to move minus 6. As this is minus 6, which side you will move? Exactly, left side of your number line. So 9 is the starting point of the number line. You move minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is minus 6 on the left side of number line. Your answer is 3. Right? Now the sum next is minus 1 plus minus 7. Again, minus 1 is going to remain the same. Only the changes will be after plus and minus sign. Here plus and minus will be taken place by minus, as plus will be removed. So now minus 1 and minus 7. And the rule is you have to add the integers, but minus sign will remain as it is. So 7 plus 1 makes 8 and minus will be the sign. So now your starting point will be minus 1 and you have to move minus 7. So again on the left side of your number line. So from 1, count out the 7 on the number line. 7 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your answer is minus 8. In the similar way, now we have here 3 integers to go with the number line. Either you can move directly if you are aware about, or else you can do one thing. Firstly, you solve these two, right? So minus 1 and minus 2. Add the integers, minus 3. Now answer of this 2 is minus 3. Go with this last number given on the integers, that is minus 3. Your answer is minus 3. Keep it as it is. The next step to be solved is again minus 3. So minus and minus, the integers will be added and sign will be of minus. So 6 minus 6 on the number line. Firstly, you move with the very first number we had written minus 1. So start your number line with minus 1, and how many you have to move? Minus 2 on the left side of your number line. So your answer will be 1, 2, minus 3. Right? Now this number we had stopped on the number line. Again we have to move minus 3. Minus 3 is the answer of minus 1 and minus 2. That what we got here. Now from the minus 3, this will be the starting point, and again you have to go how many steps towards left of number line? Minus 3. So again count 1, 2, 3. So your final answer is minus 6. But as we have the minus numbers, move on to the left side of the number line, and if we have positive or plus numbers, move on to the right side of the number line. Question number 2, 3 sums ahead solved. 3 will be a part of your homework, that is B, D and F. Moving further with question number 3, 4 and 5 to get over with 6.2.